Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can add the balance in your Binance. So let's get started. How you can add the USDT or how you can add the amount in the Binance. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Binance app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this Binance here. Let's click on this. So as you can see now, the Binance is open there. Now simply you will be able to see your total balance here. Like as you can see now, currently I have this 0.0.4. And now if you want to add the balance, simply we have to click on this top up option. And after clicking on this, we have two methods. I don't have crypto assets, I have crypto assets. So if you want to deposit crypto, you can also do that. It's up to you. As you can see, these all cryptos are provided here. I'm going to click on the cancel. Or if you want to buy through P2P trading, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the P2P tradings. And now you have to choose that which type of balance you want to add. Firstly, you have to choose the currency from here. For example, I want to buy the Bitcoin here. As you can see, you will be able to see the Bitcoin sellers here. Now you have to choose the buy. If you want to buy, then what we have to do, because we want to add, then we have to buy. I'm going to click on this buy here. And as you can see, we have to choose the amount. For example, I want to buy for the 20,000 here, or 2,800, whatever you want. Okay. And after that, we have to choose the payment method here. And as you can see, the list amount is provided here. We have to choose the amount accordingly. And then we have to provide the payment method here. For example, bank transfer. And then we have to click on the place order. And after that we will get and after that we have to send the payment, and after that we will receive the balance in our account, and we will be able to see the balance here in our account. Here you will be able to see the balance here in your account. So in this way you can add the balance or the currency in your Binance account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.